Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elyada. This session is designed to help you heal and restore yourself after a difficult and painful fight with your husband or boyfriend. Perhaps it's a man who has dominated energetically, dismissed you, or used words and actions that made you feel unvalued or even nullified. Right now, you may feel distraught, unheard, unseen, with lingering hurt in your heart. I promise you, by the end of this session, you will feel different, elevated, relieved, and uplifted from what happened. Your eyes are closed now. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Breathe in deeply for 6 seconds and exhale fully for 6 seconds. Let's take about 9 more breaths like that. Take your time. Unwind and let go of all the thoughts. Breathing deeply and exhaling and relaxing more and more. As you continue this breathing pattern, feel calmness entering your body with each inhale. And with every exhale, release the tension and discomfort. Each breath carries you closer to peace. Your body is more relaxed now. Just stay here in this comforting space, knowing that things have a way of working out. No matter what happens. Now imagine yourself entering a healing space, a magical sanctuary that feels safe, warm, and comforting. Trust your imagination. This space is alive with soft, glowing lights and threads of energy weaving gently through the air. They are like plants or tendrils of light, softly touching you and wrapping around your heart, your mind, and your body. These energies are here to wash away your pain, hurt, or even sorrow. Feel the energy gently pulling away the feelings of being dismissed and unheard, hurt by the words or actions, and any sense of injustice that took place in your interaction with your partner. Let go of the question you may be asking yourself, why me? Why is this happening? These radiant, glowing energies wash over you, dissolving the weight of what happened. Let these healing forces work through you. They are restoring you, replenishing you, and reminding you of your worth, value, power. and beauty inside and out. Stay here for a moment, allowing these soothing energies to nurture you. Be silent and yet feel the power of this space, its ability to heal you and remind you that you are way more than the words you have heard or the actions of another. Imagine unseen guides or healing forces surrounding you, replenishing your strength. They are whispering beautiful, comforting words meant just for you. Only you can hear them. Listen, absorb, and feel them settle in your heart. They are restoring your balance and giving you the resources to strengthen and heal. Stay here for a while, letting these energies weave their magic through you, and gently listen to the healing insight or guidance. Let it all sink deeply into your mind and body, healing and empowering you further. You are renewed in both mind and body. You stand in your own strength. Calm, clear, and unwavering, no matter what challenges you face. You naturally take the high road in all challenging situations with your partner. You remain grounded, calm, and composed. You are healed and restored now, beginning to lighten up in areas where you once felt stuck. You have gained a new perspective and see things in a fresh way. Your strength shines in your ability to respond with clarity and softness, without sacrificing your truth. You channel your emotions in productive and healthy ways. When you feel anger or frustration, you easily find outlets that help you heal and regain balance. You are clear, solid, and empowered. You are healed. You are restored. You are renewed. No matter what is said or done, you hold your power firmly. You are resilient, calm, and deeply anchored in your own self-worth. Let's anchor this healing journey with 3 affirmations. Repeat them silently or out loud. I am restored, renewed, and empowered. I remain calm and composed in all situations. I am healed and inspired, whole and resilient. Feel these affirmations becoming part of your reality, guiding you through every situation with grace and strength. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, strong, and deeply connected to your inner power. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elyada with HypnoCloud.